In most corporate networks, standard employees operate within silos that limit their access to specific, individualized datasets required for their specific jobs. However, every network also contains privileged administrative credentials. These accounts have the authority to bypass those silos, granting control over servers, cloud environments, and the underlying IT infrastructure. If a threat actor acquires these credentials, they gain the ability to move through the entire system. They can rewrite configurations, disable security logs, or exfiltrate an entire organization's database. Defending a modern enterprise has moved beyond securing the perimeter. Today, the focus is entirely on protecting these central privileged identities. CyberArk is the industry leader in Privileged Access Management, or PAM. PAM is a security framework used to secure, manage, and monitor high-level accounts by storing their credentials in a hardened digital vault and automating password rotations. While the software is powerful, it is not autonomous. It requires skilled human operators to manage the vaults, configure security policies, and monitor active sessions to ensure zero-trust principles are enforced. This creates a gap in cybersecurity education. Reading documentation cannot prepare an operator for the reality of managing a live, high-stakes system where a single configuration error can cause a total operational failure. Protecting these identities requires hands-on muscle memory, the kind of practical experience that traditional, theory-based learning models are not built to provide. Askmeidentity addresses this by providing a structured training environment designed to move learners from foundational concepts to technical implementation. Students are given access to a real CyberArk lab environment. This is a live simulated network where they can practice full software installations, policy configurations, and vault management. In this sandbox, students can safely make mistakes. They can break components and practice troubleshooting techniques without the risk of impacting real corporate infrastructure. The instructors are experienced identity and access management professionals. They provide direct interaction through Q&A sessions and live support to help students navigate complex real-world use cases. By combining these live labs with expert mentorship, the training condenses months of trial and error into a focused period of guided practice. The curriculum is designed to break down a complex platform into sequential, manageable steps. The course follows a specific progression. It starts with Vault installation, moves into the setup of the central policy manager and password vault web access, and concludes with disaster recovery configuration. This specific sequence is designed to align with the official CyberArk professional certification path. Beyond software setup, the training covers broader enterprise deployment, including user management and zero-trust architecture. Zero Trust is a security model that requires strict identity verification for every person and device trying to access resources on a private network. This structured approach transforms a wide array of technical requirements into a clear, predictable path for professional development. The final stage of the program focuses on career readiness, providing resume guidance and interview preparation specifically tailored for cybersecurity roles. Now equipped with practical skills, the trained professional is ready to defend the corporate environments that threat actors target most. They use the platform to enforce multi-factor authentication and password rotation, creating a secure layer that blocks unauthorized attempts to seize administrative accounts. Mastering these tools mitigates identity-based risks, neutralizing the primary methods used in ransomware and advanced persistent attacks. Askmeidentity provides the complete, hands-on pathway to becoming a certified professional capable of protecting the modern digital enterprise.